On record now. Yes. So yesterday what did we learn? We learned about how to add like fractions, है ना? Yesterday we learned about comparing the fractions and how to add like fractions, right? Both of them have been done. Okay. So right, yes Rinda, that will be fine, no issues. Okay, so going on to the next part, which is subtraction. So let's see on the screen, I'm going to share it. See, now in this one, subtraction of like fractions, we are going to study subtraction of like fractions. So 5 upon 6 minus 4 upon 6, both are like fractions because they both have the same denominator, है ना? Now let's talk about it in terms of this drawing itself. Right, now let's say that, okay, let's say that Harnil, right, Harnil, he brought in this chocolate which has 6 pieces, right? Out of these 6 pieces, Harnil to Harnil's mom gave him 5. ओके हर्निल, है ना? मम्मी ने आपको 5 पीस दिए चॉकलेट के, ग्रीन वाले, दिख रहा है आपको? यस, कैन यू सी इट ऑन द स्क्रीन? राइट, 5, है ना? टोटल 5 पीस दिख रहे हैं. ओके, out of this 5 pieces of chocolate, out of this 5 pieces of chocolate, Harnil thought, why I should get only why should I get only 5, right? Let me give some to my sister also. So now Harnil's sister is elder than him, right? So what he did, he gave away 4 pieces. He gave away 4 pieces. So how many left with him? Only 1, है ना? Right? So that's what it is. What do? It's very simple. We write the denominator which is common for both of them and simple subtraction, 5 minus 4, and we get the answer as 1 upon 6. Simple subtraction, just like we did for addition. This is also similar, only thing is you have to subtract. Right everyone? Got it? Yes, come on. Yes Jia, बोलो बेटा.
सर मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
ओके, राइट. कैसे समझाएंगे इसको फिर से? देखो, आपके पास ये एक, मान लीजिए कि टोटल 6 मार्बल्स है, ठीक है? ऐसा समझ लीजिए, टोटल 6 मार्बल्स है. ओके, उसमें से आपके पास 5 है, ये एक किसी और के पास है, ठीक है? आपके पास कितनी है? 5 मार्बल. टोटल कितनी है? 6. अभी उसमें से आप 4 मार्बल्स, यस परम, आई विल कम बैक टू यू, उसमें से आप 4 मार्बल्स किसी और को दे देते हो, है ना? तो आपके पास कितनी रह गई?
1.
हाँ, बस वही करना है, सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन है. टोटल कितनी थी? टोटल कितनी थी मार्बल्स? अनम्यूट करो. हाँ, टोटल कितनी थी? 6. तो आपके पास कितनी रह गई? 1 आउट ऑफ 6, है ना?
Yes.
बस
Yes,
वही है. तो सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन ही है. समझ में आ गया? अभी समझ में आया? यस और नो? गिव मी थम्स अप इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. गुड, दैट्स गुड, वेरी गुड.
सर
हाँ, बोलो.
हमें पीटीआई में आना है तो नोटबुक लेके आना है.
नहीं नहीं, नो नो नोटबुक्स. यस निष्ठा.
सर आपकी वॉइस बहुत लो आ रही है.
अच्छा, well there is nothing I can do about it. Yes परम, बोलो बेटा.
सर
हाँ जी.
की बुक मैंने नेत्रा को लिखने दी थी और वो वापस लेने नहीं आए तो मेरे पास अभी बुक नहीं है.
कोई बात नहीं, रफ में लिख लो या फिर अभी कुछ मत लिखो, खाली समझ लो ध्यान से, बाद में लिख लेना, ठीक है? ओके, ऑल राइट, ऑल राइट, ओके, लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, है ना? लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2। चलो, अभी ये सब खुद से सॉल्व करना है, वेरी इजी, है ना? ये सब खुद से सॉल्व करने हैं आपको। सेकेंड वन चलो करो, कॉमन है ना? कॉमन है तो कैसे करेंगे? वेरी सिंपल, राइट? तो वैसे ही नंबर 2, 8 minus 3, आंसर विल बी 5/9। कम ऑन, लेट्स डू इट क्विकली, कम ऑन, लेट्स डू इट। सो नेक्स्ट वन क्या होगा? नंबर 3 एग्जाम्पल में कैसे होगा? वेरी इजी, we will write the denominator same, right, and both the numerator are to be subtracted, simple, right? So 12 minus 3 is what? 9/90, very simple, yeah, yes। अभी समझ में आ गया जिया कैसे करना है? गुड, वेरी गुड। कोई है जिसको समझ में नहीं आया? गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड, डाउन इफ यू हैव नॉट। तो पंथ को समझ में नहीं आया? इट्स वेरी इजी बेटा, देखो ध्यान से क्या करना है, इन दोनों में 17 को सीधा नीचे लिख लेना है, जैसे कि हमने एडिशन ऑफ लाइक फ्रैक्शंस किया था, है ना? और फिर 8 minus 4, सिंपल। तो 8 minus 4 क्या होता है? यस, वेरी गुड, 4/17, दिस इज योर आंसर, दैट्स इट, वेरी इजी, है ना? चलो, वेरी गुड, very good, come on, let's do it। yes, question number 4 is 4/17, that is correct, Vrinda, good job, yes, very good। come on, let's do it। come on everyone, let's do it fast। हाँ, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, लिख लो, आई एम वेटिंग, इट्स ओके पंत, यू कैन टेक योर टाइम, नो प्रॉब्लम्स। come on राजवी, यस हार्दी, बोलो।
Sir, I'm out of time now, so I forget my books.
इट्स ओके बेटा, नो प्रॉब्लम, है ना? अभी ध्यान दे करके सीख लो, है ना? और जहां पे भी हो वहां पे थोड़ी बहुत प्रैक्टिस करते रहना, ठीक है? राइट, कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग, दैट इज द की टू सक्सेस इन मैथमेटिक्स, राइट? if you want to succeed with mathematics, only easy way is practice, right? Unless you do enough practice, I can't help you, nobody can help you actually, right? You must do lots of practice, right? come on everyone, going to the next one, yes, going to the next one, yes, Kanani wants to say something, yes Kanani beta,
No, sir.
okay, all right. Okay, going to the next one, come on, number 5. Now here I have put addition and subtraction together in one example, right? It's a mixed bag now. Come on, see, very easy. All the three are like fractions. So what do we do for the like fractions? For all the three like fractions, simple, right? We put it one simple line right? And denominator does not change, right? So simple addition and subtraction only. Come on, do it fast. Do it fast. Come on. Come on. Come on. Right? So first we will add 18 plus 3, which is 21 minus 60 और 90. तो क्या रह जाएगा आंसर हमारे पास? 21 minus 6 is what? 5. Very simple, right? Come on everyone. Yes, do it fast. Come on. Come on. Note it down quickly, everyone. Come on, everyone. Finish it up quickly. Very good, Nidhi. Very good, Nishtha. Good. Come on, everyone. Finish up the work. Note it down quickly. Gajendra, note it down, beta. Come on. Have you completed your work, Gajendra? Come on. Come on, everyone. Come on, everyone. Let's do it quickly. Number 6 answer. No param. कैसे 16 आएगा बेटा? How come 16? 18 plus 3 करना पड़ेगा ना? 21. तो 21 minus 16 क्या होता है? Yes, Nidhi, I will do that. Yes, so 5 upon 19 is the correct answer, beta. 5 upon 19 is the correct answer. Yes? Yes, correct. 5 upon 19. That is correct. Yes, very good. लिख लिया सबने? Yes, very good. Come on, has everybody written it? Yeah, okay. Okay. Shall we go to the next page? Let's go to the next page. Let's go to the next page. Right. So this is your homework. Note it down. Come on. Come on. Come on, everyone. Come on, everyone. Note it down. Note down your homework. Done? Shall we go to the next page? Shall we go to the next page? Come on. All right, Pant. I'll wait. Very good. Very good. Come on. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Finish it up. Okay. Good. Okay. Going to the next page. Okay. Going to the next page. अगर किसी का बाकी रह गया है तो don't worry. I'll be sharing the PDF. है ना? Okay. Come on. Extra sums. थोड़े बहुत extra sums भी करेंगे. चलो. यहाँ पे combination of things, right? There are some combinations that we need to do. Okay, come on. Now here, look at this example. 1 whole 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 minus 6 upon 4. Right? Okay. Now this part, 1 whole 3 upon 4, it's a mixed fraction. Whenever we are adding or subtracting some, right? When we are doing some addition or subtraction sums, and if we see a mixed fraction, what we need to do is we need to convert it into improper fraction, and we know how to convert it. 4 ones are 4, multiplication of 4 to 1, and the numerator is to be added. So 4 ones are 4 plus 3, so 4 plus 3 upon 4, that becomes 7 upon 4, right? That becomes 7 upon 4. So now what it becomes is 1 whole 3 upon 4, I have written it as 7 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 minus 6 upon 4. Right? Now all in all this, the denominator is common. So very simply, what do? We put 4 as common denominator and then add and subtract together. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. But what is 4 divided by 4? 4 divided by 4 is 1 only. है ना? It's the whole number. Yes, Hed, I'm coming to you. Just a minute. Yes, Kanani, you have a question, beta?
I did not understand.
Which part?
Extra sum.
Extra sum. Okay, no problems. Let me repeat it. है ना? मैं repeat करता हूँ, लेकिन उससे पहले हेद से बात कर लेंगे. हेद शाह, बोलिए. Tell me, बेटा.
सर मेरा भी यही क्वेश्चन है, मुझे भी पता नहीं चला एक्स्ट्रा सम.
Okay, okay, no problems. Okay, now first of all we have got 1 whole 3 upon 4. What type of fraction is it? Is it a mixed fraction, proper fraction, or improper fraction? It's a mixed fraction, है ना? Very good. Okay, so if we have a mixed fraction, then we must convert it into an improper fraction. And improper fraction के लिए क्या करना है हमको? We know how to convert it, right? 4 into 1 plus 3, है ना? ये practice हमने की हुई है, right? So 4 ones is 4 plus 3 upon 4. The answer will be here 7 upon 4. Yes. So 1 whole 3 upon 4 is can be written as 7 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 minus 6 upon 4. Yes, correct. So what do? 4, sorry, 4 we will keep it here. 7 plus 3 minus 6. What is 7 plus 3? It is 10 minus 6 upon 4. What is 10 minus 6? It's 4 divided by 4. If we divide 4 by 4, what will happen? What will be the answer if we divide 4 by 4? You know how to do the division. Yes, it will be a whole number. It will be a whole number. This is your answer. है ना? Not this one. 4 upon 4, a whole number is your answer. Okay? Now, do you understand, Kanani? Is it clear now? Give me a thumbs up if you have understood. Very good. Panth, समझ में आ गया? Yes, Panth? Did you understand? Very good. Heth, is it clear now? Heth, where is he? Heth. Yes, Heth, is it clear now? Very good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Perfect. Very good. Yes. Is there anyone with a doubt anymore? Yeah? Vedant. Yes, Vedant. Bolo.
सर मेरे घर की लाइट चली गई थी ना, इसलिए मेरा कनेक्शन लॉस्ट हो गया था, इसलिए मुझे कुछ पता नहीं।
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बाद में देख लेना ये वीडियो, है ना? बाद में देख लेना, ठीक है? ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल पे जाएंगे. नाउ रिमेंबर दिस वन. I have told you also, I have told you this previously also. When we are doing any sum on fractions, right, the answer will always be in either whole number or a proper fraction or a mixed fraction. We cannot have an improper fraction as what? As our answer. Okay? Right, everyone? Panth, what is your question, beta? Hold on a second. Panth, where is he? Panth Patel. बोलो बेटा, क्या क्वेश्चन है? अनम्यूट करो. अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा है. चलो, हाँ बोलो.
हाँ, हमें ये फिजिकल 4/4 = 1 आंसर लिखना है उधर.
हाँ, लिखना है. यस. ओके, गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन. चलो, नंबर 6. नंबर 6 पे लिख लो. चलो, राइट, सॉरी ना, पेज नंबर 6 पर है ये. राइट, चलो. नाउ दिस वन. 8/4 plus 12/4 minus 20/4. तो 8 plus 12 क्या हो जाएगा? 20. And 20 minus 20 is always 0. So 0/4 is 0. Very easy. Come on, do it fast. Come on. Let's do it. And the third one also, extra sums, number 3 also. Come on, do it fast. Come on, everyone. Okay, done. लिख लिया. Now worksheet number 67 and 68. This is very important part. How many thirds are there in a whole? एक सर्कल लेंगे और उसके अगर हम 3 पार्ट्स करते हैं right? 3 equal parts. So how many third? One part is called as 1/3. So 1, 2, and 3. है ना? Right? So how many thirds are there in the whole? 1/3. Right? Right? How many? Three? Three 1/3. Okay? How many fourths are there in a whole? Right? अगर 4 करेंगे तो 4 हो जाएंगे. Right? How many halves are there in a whole? This is something which we have done, and this is very important. I want you all to remember this: one half, 1/3, 1/4. Okay, remember it. So worksheet number 67 and 68 is your homework. Okay, worksheet number 67 and 68 is homework. Okay, right everyone? All right, जिसका भी वर्क बाकी रह गया है, do not worry, I'll be sharing the PDF. Okay, I'll be sharing the PDF right now in the MCB group, in the MCB class diary. Okay, and I'm going to post the video also. All right, that's it for the day everyone. Be safe, have fun. Jai Hind.